Hello, my name is Alexandro Trujillo, and I am the operations lead at Vitruvio. I am also the director of the Impact NFT project. Today, I'd like to take you on a journey through our work, our discoveries, and the challenges we face in bridging the gap between between traditional art and the digital world. At Vitruvio, we see creators in a broad light, whether they are visual artists, musicians, filmmakers, or involved in any form of artistic expression. We believe creators are not just producing art, but they're guardians of our culture, which is deeply woven into the fabric of humanity. Our journey began with the Impact NFT project, centered around the hypothesis that native creators have the potential to cross the digital divide and thrive in the digital art market. This took us to the Gran Chaco region, a culturally rich and diverse area spanning Argentina, Paraguay, Brazil, and Bolivia. Here we embarked on a mission with over 5,000 native artists from 40 different communities. Our goal was to equip these artists with the skills and tools necessary for digital art creation. This involved training in graphic illustration and introducing them to the use of blockchain technology to enable them to offer their digital creations to the world. But we didn't stop there. We facilitated collaborations between these native artists and digital art professionals, and expert international curators guided them through their creative process. The result was the first ever NFT collection featuring native art. And the response was overwhelming. Some pieces sold for over $10,000, an amount nearly 100 times more than the average price of their physical artworks. But scaling this project across the region revealed significant challenges, like limited internet connectivity and a lack of content in native dialects. Through partnerships with local NGOs, we were able to overcome these barriers. But as we delved deeper, we uncovered a more fundamental problem. The rapid growth of digital art markets and the widespread excitement around blockchain's potential didn't address a critical issue, the preservation of cultural heritage. Instead, we observed a concerning trend where the pursuit of profit overshadowed the essence of art, and market hype eclipsed heritage and artistic integrity. And as the NFT markets faced fluctuations, several platforms, in an effort to cut costs and secure their own revenues, started revoking artists' rights to royalties from ongoing sales, disregarding one of blockchain's initial promises, which was perpetual royalty for artists from secondary art markets. Additionally, the decentralization of the blockchain still relies on quasi-centralized models, such as the use of IPFS protocols, leaving creators with little more than a token ID, stripped of any meaningful rights and royalties. So we realized that the Web3 is not fully equipped to safeguard critical aspects like identity, authorship, and intellectual property rights. Yes, we made some progress introducing native art into the digital realm, but there are still vital issues that we need to solve to truly benefit the creators this technology is meant to empower. So this project and our experiences with native communities made us realize that existing blockchains have general purpose NFT technology and no creator-specific support. Major challenges like user interface friction, generic NFT standards, and art scam need to be addressed to onboard the untapped art market, valued at around $68 million, and 84% of this market is not on the Web3 yet. I'm referring to the amazing talent in native communities, traditional artists that lack access to the disruptive tools that the blockchain can offer. So this led us to create Vitruvio, a layer 1 blockchain protocol designed specifically to tackle the complex issues around ownership, intellectual property rights, and licensing in the digital art world. In simple terms, we want to make sure artists' rights are protected when their work goes digital. Vitruvio blends the strengths of traditional Web2 ecosystems and the decentralized nature of the Web3. We draw inspiration from the integrated approach of platforms like Apple and Amazon, offering a vertically integrated ecosystem with dApps, tools, and a marketplace designed to cater to the needs of digital artists and cultural creators. And simultaneously, we embrace the core features of the Web3. This means we use smart contracts to automatize agreements. We have an on-chain registry for both creators and assets, and we have developed a unique way to register data about digital art that is compliant with established in the industry standards, such as the linked art standard by the Getty Foundation. We also included a performance-based rebasing mechanism to reward both creators and contributors to the ecosystem. At Vitruvio, we redefined the process of creating digital art. Instead of the current process where artists mint and pay gas fees just to showcase their art to the world, we offer a more creator-friendly approach. The journey for artists begins at Vitru Studio, where artists consign their work, reflecting the practice of traditional art, where minting and paying fees only occurs when there's a sale. This system is designed to remove the financial barriers and friction that put traditional artists at a disadvantage in NFT galleries. Vitru Hub then enables artists to create personal storefronts to directly market their artworks. And finally, Vitru Stream allows tailored licensing models, giving artists full control of their revenue streams. A standout feature is our use of virtual galleries and augmented reality to activate assets. Scan the QR code, point your camera at the image, and see for yourself. We offer viewers an immersive experience that connects them with the art and its cultural background. Alongside our marketing support, these tools open new avenues for artists and collectors. So yeah, Vitruvio streamlines the artist's journey from a complex tokenization process to an easy three-step approach of identity validation, asset registration, and license customization. In this graphic, we see how trust, an acronym formed by intersecting features, becomes the cornerstone of our system. Each pair of features contributes to building trust, marking a significant evolution from the trustlessness approach of blockchain. Tradability is enhanced by flexible licensing and dynamic minting, making digital assets easier to trade and sell. Reusability comes from pairing dynamic minting with industry standard metadata, where the origin and details of the digital assets are preserved. Uniformity comes from consistent industry metadata and creator trust. This ensures interoperability and a uniform experience of authenticity and quality. Security is a fusion of creator trust and digital signing, reinforcing the platform's integrity and deterring unauthorized alterations. Transparency is achieved through digital signing and flexible licensing, where the creator's identity is embedded in the artwork. Next, please. Vitruvio has evolved from the original trustless model, which relied on non-custodial wallets and smart contracts, enhancing it and adding a human-centric interface to the decentralized ledger. We respect the initial intent of blockchain while optimizing user experience, creating a more accessible and trustworthy environment. There's still much to learn about the digital art ecosystem. What we've seen so far is a market dynamic that overlooks creators' rights, favoring the profits of a few. At Vitruvio, our mission goes beyond just understanding. We're actively working to reshape this ecosystem. Our goal is to foster more equitable dynamics and promote fair market practices by combining the secure, trustless nature of blockchain with trust-building mechanisms. We are committed to honoring our past while preserving while moving forward into the future. We invite you to join us, whether you're a creator, art enthusiast, a contributor, or even a blockchain skeptic. Together, we can create more opportunities for artists across the globe. Thank you.